Welcome to English News for Learners. Today is May 17th. In today's episode, we have 3 stories. We will talk about a hydrogen ferry, AI cashierless stores, and a historic castle restoration. Let's start. 水素フェリーの運行開始。A major Japanese shipping company has a new plan. They launched a new ferry in Tokyo Bay. This ship runs entirely on hydrogen fuel. It is an eco-friendly vessel. It aims to reduce carbon emissions. This is for sightseeing tours near the waterfront. The ferry uses a 100% hydrogen fuel cell system. It produces 0 CO2 emissions. This is much better than traditional diesel ships. It helps promote green tourism in the capital region. Regular service will start in June 2026. This project is part of the Zero Emission Tokyo initiative. It shows how Japan is changing its energy use. This is a very positive step for the environment. It will make Tokyo a cleaner city for everyone to visit. Next topic. AI 無人店舗の拡大。A leading convenience store chain is changing how we shop. They are rolling out new technology. This allows customers to shop without a register. The store uses cameras on the ceiling. It also uses weight sensors on the shelves. These track items automatically as you pick them up. The company plans 50 new stores this year. This technology reduces checkout time by 70%. That is a huge improvement for busy customers. It also helps solve labor shortages in the retail sector. The plan is to expand nationwide over the next 24 months. Advanced computer vision makes this possible. It creates a very fast shopping experience. Technology is clearly making our daily lives more convenient and efficient. Moving on to our final story. Shiro no 3D Fukugen project. Experts are using new technology for a historic castle. They are working in Western Japan. The project uses 3D printing to fix damaged sections. They are recreating complex wooden parts of the building. This method preserves traditional architecture perfectly. It also ensures the structure remains very safe for all visitors. 3D printing is 40% faster than hand-carving methods. It is an innovative way to protect cultural heritage. The project ensures these treasures last for future generations. Restoration work should be finished in late 2027. It combines traditional skills with modern engineering. This is a great way to respect history. It keeps the past alive for the modern world. We look forward to seeing the finished castle. Today, we learnt about hydrogen ships, AI convenience stores, and castle restoration. These stories show how Japan uses technology for a better future. Keep practicing your English every day. You are doing a great job. Thank you for listening. See you next time.